Hi there. This is part 2 of a video series regarding consecutive odd integers and also consecutive even integers. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into a sample word problem. The sum of 3 consecutive even integers is negative 24. We have to write an equation and solve it and find the 3 consecutive even integers. So right off the bat, we don't know what the consecutive even integers are. So I'm going to go ahead and declare my variables. The first one I'm going to assign as variable x. Now for the second consecutive even integer, hopefully you watched my previous video and are able to declare what this integer will be. That would be x plus 2. And then in order to find the algebraic expression for the third consecutive even integer, that would be x plus 4. So in the first sentence, it says the sum, so that tells you to add all 3 of these consecutive even integers together, and it is, in math, gets translated into equals negative 24. So that's the equation that we're going to start with. So let's see if you know how to continue. If you need a hint, combine your like terms. Once you do that, the equation simplifies to 3x plus 6 is equal to negative 24. If you need a hint, think about how you're going to isolate 3x. And what we're going to do to achieve that is to subtract 6 on both sides of the equation. The equation now becomes 3x equals negative 30. If you need another hint, think about how you're going to isolate x. And I hope you're thinking we're going to divide both sides by 3. So once you divide both sides by 3 and solve for x, x has a value of negative 10, and that is the first consecutive even integer. Now remember to always go back and read the question to make sure that you fully answer the problem, because there's a common mistake that my students will make, and they will stop immediately once they have solved for the variable. But we need to continue to find the second and the third consecutive even integer. So in order to find your second consecutive even integer, follow your declaration, take your x value, and add 2. So negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. In order to find your third consecutive even integer, take your x value and add 4. So negative 10 plus 4 is negative 6. So now we have completely answered the question. The 3 consecutive even integers are negative 10, negative 8, and negative 6. I hope that helped.